Sasha, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. So I want to give a big thank you to FlexiSpot for sponsoring today's video. As y'all can see by the title, before we get into the actual video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. So do you have kids or pets, or you have been searching for like the perfect rug for your home, or a girlie like me that moved recently and is looking to decorate your space, trying to get things to match your aesthetics? Well, I have the perfect rug for you, and it is from FlexiSpot. This rug is one of a kind. It can be vacuumed, it can be machine washed. Like, you no longer have to stress over the fact that you need to bring your rug somewhere or call someone and pay big bucks just to get your rug clean. Like, you no longer have to do that. These rugs from FlexiSpot can literally fit in your washer. Like, even the largest size can fit in your washer. I love this. I feel like it's just so convenient, because if you should have like pets or kids that easily spill things, or if you're just a clumsy girl like myself, this is ideal for you. All you have to do is take up the rug and put it in your washing machine, add detergent, not with bleach of course, because that's gonna ruin it. Add detergent and just wash it in your machine. It won't cause any form of deformity to the rug. The sides won't get curly or none of that. Like, the rug will just come out looking brand new, like when you just got it. So if you're looking for a rug or will be interested in getting a rug in the near future, I would definitely recommend that you stick around, because this rug is one of a kind. Like, it's also easy to assemble. It doesn't slide over the place, because of course they add extra stuff to make sure that the rug is comfortable, it is smooth, it is stick to one space, so it's stationed, so you don't have to worry about your furniture moving it all around. You don't have to worry about that. What I also love is the fact that they sent a manual. I'm big on manuals because I feel like this is something you should just read prior to putting anything in your home, just to know what it entails of, how to take care of it, how to wash it. But I feel like what was a big win for me is the fact that this rug can be washed in the washing machine. Like, that is so convenient, and I'm a person that have sinus and asthma, so it's ideal to like have your rug washed often, because you know you don't want to do anything to trigger off those stuff. A rug that's washable, you can just grab it up, put it in the washer and wash it as often as you want, whether you want to schedule a wash every month, every 2 months. It's your take, and it's in the convenience of your home. You're saving so much money from going back and forth getting people to come and wash your rug. Everything you could ever think of, or everything you could ever expect from a rug. And they also have variety of sizes. It also gives assembling direction as to how to place the rug pad, and also how to place the rug grippers. So it's fully loaded of everything you need to start off. You don't have to be going outside, going anywhere else to say, oh, I need a rug pad or none of that. Everything comes packaged perfectly nice, and I just love this for the girlies, especially for persons just starting off. This is like ideal for you, and it's a big go-to for people like sinus, because you can wash your rug as frequently as you want to, and people with kids, because you know kids can get a little messy sometimes. So this is perfect. Also, on the other hand, you can also vacuum your rug. So if you are not into washing it as often, you can always feel free to vacuum it, as well as you can also do like spot cleaning on this rug. You get a damp cloth with some soapy water and you just rub out the area and it's gone. So it's like so convenient. Like moms, single moms who are like fast-paced, don't really have time to get certain things done, this rug will be perfect for you. Like, so now that I've told you all the good things about this rug, let's get into the assembling. So throughout this process of assembling this rug, I was like super excited, because I couldn't wait to see what it would give. Like, after I was through with putting everything together, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see how this look in my space, if it complements my sofa, you know, just my aesthetics overall, and it did a really good job, which I really love. And some of the things that I realized when I took it out of the package is how lightweight it is. So even if you live alone as a single person, this rug isn't something heavy that you will struggle with moving around. I realized from the jump that the edges were pretty flat and it wasn't like curling all over the place. So what I did was went through the manual as I stated before, because I wanted to know like how to determine the size, where to place it, how to stick the rug pad, how to stick the rug gripper. In the manual it also shows like different direction how the rug pad should be set based on the length of the rug, because the smallest size they have is 2.5 by 7 feet and the largest size is 9 by 12 feet. So it shows you variety, and I randomly choose a 6 by 9 and I'm surprised that it actually fit really nice. As you guys can see here, after I took everything out of the box, I'm just laying down my rug pads. Initially when I started, I was a bit confused because I was putting them together wrong, until I was like, no, this is not making sense because it's not connecting, like, yeah. So after that, now I went ahead, reviewed the manual again, and then started placing it in the correct direction, and I was surprised that it actually fit. It wasn't as small as I thought it would have been, and it's not too big. I didn't have to worry about lifting up my sofa to put the excess rug underneath it because the sizing was just really perfect. After I placed them, I laid everything out. I basically walk on the area to ensure that everything is assembled properly, just to show you guys how easy this is to assemble and disassemble. And then after that, now I lay my rug down. I was basically just walking back and forth to make sure that the rug is flat, you know, no issues, no nothing, no space underneath it. Everything is like well put together. So I really love that. What I also love is the fact that this rug is non-toxic and is free from harmful chemicals, because we want to create a safe space not just for ourselves but our pets and our kids. So this is like super duper ideal. I also went ahead and did like a machine test because I wanted to really see for myself if it was able to fit in my machine, and I did, guys. And as you guys can see, I have so much space after, like, I could literally wash 2 rugs in this, and it goes to show that if I own the 9 by 12 feet rug, it would be perfect. I wouldn't have any issues at all with just putting the rug in the machine for it to wash. So it just goes to show that the things FlexiSpot said, they can stand on that, because it's something I've actually tried and it works. And I just love how detailed everything was. It was very easy to assemble. As I said multiple times, I had no issues and I was able to do it on my own without any help. So now that I'm finished with like the assembling process, I'm gonna tell you guys my overall review. So the quality for me was everything. Like, I love the quality so much. Like, it is so soft. After I finished assembling it, I was just on it, rubbing my foot on it, walking all over. Like, it was really nice. I'm not really a color girl, to be honest. I'm more like a plain color neutral type of person, or black. However, it fits well in the space. Like, it has some of the colors from the sofa on it, other browns around the place. So if I wanted to change my aesthetics to like shade of nude or whatever, it would fit in perfect, like perfectly nice. So if you're interested in this rug, all the link will be down in my description. You can also go on their site to check it out, scroll through to see what you're interested in. You have nothing to worry about. I showed you guys a big difference with how my space looked without a rug and how it looks now with a rug, and I just feel like having a rug really complement the space, and it kind of lift the space. It don't look flat, boring, dead, or whatever the case is. This rug is also not easy to damage, which I really love. So even though it's lightweight and everything, the quality is really nice, and I love that. So that's my rug review on my rug from FlexiSpot. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and I'll definitely answer them. As I said before, all the links will be down in my description box, and you can also feel free to go on their sites to just browse through, because you never know when you need a rug. And you can also buy this as a gift for someone if you don't want it for yourself, Or you never know, like you can be moving soon and you want to get something really nice for your space. This is at the go-to place you can go. They have variety of sizes, you can choose different colors, and there's also other things on the side you can choose to get. It doesn't necessarily have to be a rug. But that's it, until next time guys, bye.